Right, let's start with the prize giving, shall we? As always, we start with our junior drum majors. We have in first place our United Kingdom champion for 2025, receiving the UK Championship trophy and plaque, Georgia Turkington, Matt Boyd Memorial. And in second place, receiving the Brian Wilson MBE Shield and Plaque, Grace Murdoch, Barrheadon District. And plaque, Jamie Lee Wilson, Brady Ulster Scots. And in second place, receiving the Brian Wilson MBE Shield and Plaque, Catherine Spears, Burnt Island and District. The following will receive the RSPBA plaque. In third place, Grace Surfless, Cloughin. And in fourth place, Logan Clark, Burnt Island and District. A Clusker MP Memorial Cup and Check, Liam Renton, Inveraray District. In second place, receiving the UK Championship Shield and Check, Gib Fraser, Royal Borough of Annan. Lokelly High School Junior, receiving the Denver Cardwell Memorial Cup. In second place, Isle of Arran Music School, receiving the RSPBA Glasgow West of Scotland Branch Cup. The following will receive the UK Championship Shield. In third place, Bucksburn and District Novice. In fourth place, North Lanarkshire Schools. In fifth place, PLC Pipe Band, Melbourne, Australia. In sixth place, Burnt Island and District. In second place, receiving a Lachlan Fraser Mackay Memorial Shield 1992 to 2013, the Glasgow Sky Association. The following will receive the UK Championship Shield.